Here we see the devices page of Aikido Endpoint. It shows you an overview of all the connected devices, the last time they were seen, because of course you want to make sure that everything is connected, and from which user group they belong. It's possible to create multiple user groups and link specific permissions to those user groups. This gives you the possibility of giving some groups more rights than others. For example, engineering is allowed to install everything, but with malware protection, of course, that's on by default, but maybe design and sales have less permissions. The packages page gives you a view of all the specific packages that are installed today. So this is really a view of your entire ecosystem within your company. It's very easy to filter on specific packages or to find specific packages to see when there is, for example, a CVE out in the wild that you are vulnerable or not. It's also possible to filter on a specific device. So next time you want to check if someone has something installed that you maybe don't want them to have installed, you can do that as well. Activity gives you a view into what is happening within your company, which packages are getting installed, which ones are getting blocked, and where is malware detected. These are flagged very visibly, so you can quickly notify the developer or person that may have installed it. The next thing is our requests. Each ecosystem has a possibility to allow requests for packages. And this is when you want to give your developers a little bit more freedom, but still maybe want to handhold them not to make any mistakes. And you can view this from view requests. You'll see where any developer has added or requested any package, and then you can just accept or reject those based on your own criteria. Settings give you an overview of all the ecosystems, and malware protection is of course always enabled. Besides that, you have some options to be able to block all installs, to force requests, to create exceptions based on the groups, or if you want to force packages. And you can define things like the minimum package age, which in combination with the Aikido malware scanning service gives the protection you're looking for.